Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the thumbnail, this will be a subscription box unboxing, and this is by Boss+Bae, and this is their remix box. Now I've spoke about Boss+Bae in the past. I've done opening or unboxing videos before. If you missed those, they will be linked at the end of this video. That way you can check them out and see what you are missing from this subscription company. What I like to talk about as far as them is they are melanin friendly, but they are, I mean, anybody can purchase a box, but it is geared towards being melanin friendly, which is, you know, awesome. So this is going to be me opening or unboxing the remix box that they offer, as well as giving away one of the boxes to you guys, which I am super excited by, because you guys know I love doing giveaways. I try to do giveaways often. So when they asked me if I wanted to give one away to one of you guys, of course I was like yes, because I absolutely love their boxes, and I think that you guys will too. Also, before I get started, if you are interested in purchasing one of their boxes, I will link their website down below. You can check it out. Just in case, I mean, if you don't win the giveaway, because I can only choose one lucky person. But if you are interested, there will be a discount code down below, PNF15, for 15% off your first order or your first box. So make sure you use that if you are interested. And I'm going to open this box and quit running my mouth and show you guys what's in here, and then I'll tell you a little bit more of the details for the giveaway. So again, their box is all white and they have the little black crown on the top. I really like that. I think that is so cute and simple and sleek. And yeah, and then they put the black paper in here with the black, it has a little, it's black on black, so you probably can't see it, but there's a black crown sticker like the one on the front of the box. I think that is so adorable. So let me get this open. I'm going to tear open this paper, and the first thing I see is a card. And okay, so she it has all of the items in here. So I don't really want to look at it yet, but it has the items and the prices, so I will tell you guys what the prices are for the items after I look at them. So the first thing that I see in here is this little pouch. Super cute, kind of like the little burlap pouch, and it says Becca Love on the front. Another thing I wanted to explain to you guys about this box is this company likes to take small businesses that are, you know, up and coming, and they showcase them in this box. So it's going to be products that you probably never heard of, but that's what we want to do, is to support small businesses that are trying to grow. That is why I absolutely love this box. And yeah, they're not really taking stuff from like big companies and throwing it in here. You're gonna get products that are unique and really cute, and you know, just, you know, it's just us showing our support. So by Becca Love, I see these beautiful earrings I am in love with, and they look like they are pieces of leather. These are so cute. They look like they are strips of leather that you'll be able to wear. These will be so pretty to wear when I'm dressed up and going out, just hanging that black piece of leather. That is so cute. I have never heard of Becca Love. So these are in the remix box. I see something else in here, and it has the Becca Love card in here and everything, and I'll tell you the prices after we are done, because I don't want to keep going back and forth. So then I see this Love Scrub, and it's a mesh body exfoliator, and it's right here. I'm trying not to let the glare hit you guys. It says this Love Scrub has been a tradition in West Africa for generations. It will clean and exfoliate your skin like no other. I have been using it for over 30 years, and I'm so excited to share this with you. It has a unique texture, great for removing dead skin. Large size can easily scrub your back, and it stretches up to 50 inches. So long lasting, amazing lather capabilities. I love that, because I am all about exfoliating. You guys know I talk about body scrubs all the time. So this is what it is, and it's like a mesh type thing. And what I've actually used something like this before, and what you can do with it is not only can you rub yourself with it, but it's big like this, so you can take it on your back and go like that with it. And I just really like these. You just put your soap or your you know, whatever you're using, your body product on there, and it helps you to scrub away the dead skin, and it's really good for your legs and stuff too. So this is in here, the Mesh Body Exfoliator. The next thing I see is this beautiful, and I do mean beautiful, the camera is not doing it any justice, some fingernail polish by someone by the name of Bernadette Thompson, and it's in the color Mardi Gras, and it is a beautiful, it looks like a galaxy like purple. When you see it up close, it has gold flakes in it and everything. It's really, really pretty. I love this black top on there. And yeah, I'm not gonna open it up, but it's just a nail polish, and I think that is super pretty. I cannot wait to use that. I see this cute little, look at this, I am the future, this cute little notebook like this. And as you can see with her suit says I am the future on it. She has her little arms folded, she has her little afro going on with her shades. I think that is super cute. She's looking like a boss. Really, really cute. And then it's just like some lined paper on the inside. I will definitely be keeping this in my purse. And then on the back, oh, it has a quote from Michelle Obama, and because it is from Michelle Obama, I am going to read this. It's a little long, not too long, but I want to read it. One of the lessons that I grew up with was to always stay true to yourself and never let what somebody else says distract you from your goals. And so when I hear about negative and false attacks, I really don't invest any energy in them. I know who I am. Michelle Obama. I swear, you guys. If you watched one of my previous videos, and I talked about, it was the, what video was that? The Get to Know Me video. I spoke about that. I spoke about not giving in to negativity on YouTube, on any social media platform. So that is awesome that that was back there, and it is so true. So this is also an item in the remix box. So one of the next items in this box is by a company called Pretty Zombie Cosmetics, and the color is in, it says Dahlia, and I have never heard of this company, but I cannot wait to use this. You guys know I love lippies. That color is beautiful. I love that the packaging has the black and white around this part, and it has the black top. So this is also in this remix box. And I see two more items in here, and this next one is by Carol's Daughter. I love Carol's Daughter's products, and it's in this container. This is an 8-ounce container, so that's really, really good. It's Marguerite's Magic Hairdress Restorative Cream for dry, brittle, and textured hair. Deeply nourishes, restores strength, and improves manageability. And it has shea, cocoa, and soybean in it. So that is really, really nice to receive. Carol's Daughter products can be a little pricey if you're familiar with the products, so this is really, really cool to get. And the last thing that I see in here was wrapped up, so I am going to unwrap this. I love this black paper and everything, and I see that it is bubble wrapped. Ooh, I can't wait to see what this is. Okay. Oh, it says Next of Kim. Oh, it's in this jar, and I see the rocks or whatever these are. These are like bath salts. It says Next of Kim Salt and Earth Bath Detox with bergamot and the bergamot rose fragrance. Now, I follow Boss+Bae on Instagram, and they always put these gorgeous pictures up, and there was this one picture where it was a lady taking a bath with flowers, and you can tell she was doing the detox and everything, and that picture just gives me life. Like, I love this photo, and she's right next to this giant window, and it's looking out, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I need that. So when I use this, I will be thinking about that. I don't have the big window next to my tub. Yeah, I might go find me some flowers, but I definitely cannot wait to use this. And you can see that it is definitely handmade. and it's really, I can smell it already through here, and it smells so good. Oh, so good. It says no chemicals or synthetic colors, dyes, or fragrances or alcohol. This bath detox recipe is what your skin has been screaming for. And then it tells you the ingredients, like 100% organic pink Himalayan sea salt, and you know, it tells you more on the side. So that is really, really cool. Okay, so now I want to tell you guys what these retail for, and then I'll jump into the information for the giveaway. So this mesh, oh no, that's something different. Hold on, let me find this one. The Next of Kim Beauty Detox Bath Salt retails for $12. The Love Scrub Mesh Body Exfoliator retails for $18. The Carol's Daughter Margaret's Magic Hairdress retails for $12. The Bernadette Thompson Nail Collection in Mardi Gras retails for $8. I was gonna say 18. $8. Pretty Zombie Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in Dahlia is $13 retail. This is by Dorcas Creates. So Dorcas Creates I Am the Future Notebook retails for $6. And last but not least, the beautiful leather, if I can pull them back out, these beautiful leather earrings. It says Becca Love Leather Earrings retail for $22. So that is everything in my Boss+Bae remix box. Like I said, I have done unboxing videos for this company in the past. Stay tuned at the end of the video in case you want to see the other products that I have received from them. They are absolutely amazing. I love this subscription box. Like I said, if you are not going out for the giveaway, which I am about to get into, if you want to just purchase a box, there is a discount code for 15% off your first box down below. Make sure you check that out. And yeah, so what's going to happen with this giveaway is one of you guys will win one of their boxes. And the only thing, now I don't know what's going to come in it. It is going to come directly from the company. I'm going to choose the winner, and then I'll give them the mailing address, and they're just going to ship it to you. Now what I do know, and I don't know if I'm supposed to tell you, is that there is one of my favorite products that is going to come in the giveaway box that you will win. And in the past, I talked about, why am I whispering? I just thought about it like, girl, quit whispering. That what I talked about in the past, one of the past boxes, and was the Lit Soul candle in this fragrance. This is the Sacral, she told me how to say it. Sacral. She showed me in the email, but I just forgot. But this candle that I love and I spoke about in the past a couple times, this is definitely going to be one of the items in the remix, or in your giveaway box that you're going to win. I'm not sure if you're going to win the regular monthly box or the remix box. Either way, the products in there is going to be amazing. You will love it. And yeah, so you will be getting one of these in your box. So the giveaway rules for this giveaway is super simple. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, and then what is going to happen is, because this company does not have a YouTube channel, what I ask is that I will post a picture on my Instagram account, and when I post that picture, I will also leave the link to this company's Instagram account. So hopefully you all have Instagram. If you do not, I do apologize, but I do a lot of giveaways just solely on YouTube, and this one and my last giveaway was for Instagram. So if you don't have an Instagram, I'm so sorry. But on the Instagram account, when I post a picture down in the where I write at, it'll be the link to this company's Instagram. Go ahead and click that. Make sure you're following them, and then underneath my picture on my account, just put, I want to win. So I'll put all that down in the description box as well, in case you forget. But that's it. Super simple. All I ask that you do is make sure you subscribe to me, and then make sure you go and follow their account. And that is it. This giveaway will go for like a week. I'll put that information down in the description box because I don't know the dates right now, but that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Boss+Bae remix box for October. Thank you all for watching. If you are going out for the giveaway, thank you. Good luck to everybody, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.